Hey guys, happy. When you guys are seeing it, it's Monday, but it is my Friday. I feel a lot better, so thank you guys so much for asking about that. In terms of kind of like, I didn't have energy the last 2 days to get in the lab, and so, but we are doing this today. Okay, so I made a video where I talked about, can I get 7 patterns done in the next 12 days? So today is February 21st when I'm recording this, Friday, the 21st. And today is day number 5 of the 12 days. Now, when you see this video, we're going to be like on day number 8 or 9 when I post this video. So just to kind of recap what I'm doing or what I will be working on for the next 4 days would be my Make 5 2025. Now, this is actually cut out. I just need to go ahead and sew it up, and I have a few more days to get that done, all right? I'm also gonna be working on Simplicity 9926. Now, this is hashtag Make 5 2025. So before I get into your to-do list, this is the pattern once again, Simplicity 9858. And this is due this weekend, March the 2nd, okay? So what's your to-do list for that is just go ahead, finish sewing it up. Make sure you plan where you want to take your photo. Make sure you write up your posts and all that good stuff. That's what you need to do for hashtag Make 5 2025. Now, let's talk about hashtag Make 9 2025. So what would you need to do for hashtag Make 9 2025? Which, once again, reminding you, this is the pattern that I will be using for hashtag Make 9 2025, Simplicity 9926. So what you need to do this week is make adjustments. Now, I know last week I said, go ahead and make your adjustments. If you're feeling froggy, let's go ahead and make those muslin and cut your fabric. Now, I want to reiterate what I said last week about just picking your pattern and all that good stuff. Now, you can go ahead of schedule if you want to. Just remind yourself that for Make 9 2025, you only get 5.5 weeks to work on your Make 9 board, okay? So with that being said, I would say if you already picked your pattern, you already cut it out, go ahead and make the adjustments. And while you're making adjustments, make sure you make a muslin. So the next week, all you have to do is cut your pattern. All right. Now, just a little insight into what I'm doing with both of these. Now, I am thinking of possibly doing a hack for this one. Even though I cut out the fabric, I did not cut out the pockets. And the reason why is because I think what I want to do is make a hack to where the pockets have like a zipper for me to slide my phone in, like an invisible zipper pocket. Okay, so I'm debating on if I want to do that or not, because I would have to do drafting. And it seems like I've been doing a drafting for the hack quite a bit lately. So I may or may not do that. I may just sew it out of the package as is, no warranty. I'm not 100% sure yet for this one, for Make 5 2025. I have not started the sewing process as of Friday. Now, this is on my to sew list starting on Sunday, okay? To get it all together before, and basically get it sewn up. Now, I'm good on button down shirts to have it completed in 2 days, so we will see. All right. Now, in terms of Make 9 2025, it's the pants. I am currently I will be working on this. I did cut the pattern. I have already cut the pattern already. I cut that tonight, just a few minutes ago. I finished cutting this pattern. But one thing I will mention about this one, this is part of my Love is in the Air collection that I want to have to you guys the first week of March. The reason why I'm not doing it for the first week of February is these last 2 days, I've been feeling like garbage in terms of kind of like feeling hoarse, not sick, but just feeling hoarse because I do a lot of talking at work. Talking to, business development people, directors, all of that good stuff. So because I do that at work all day, when I get home, I really do not be wanting to talk. Honestly, not even to my husband. But anyway, That's why I've been harnessed, because we had a lot of directors in the office last week and I had to do presentations and all of that good stuff. So I ended up like quite a bit hoarse. Also editing videos, recording videos outside of work. It was a lot, but I did get it done. Thank you guys so much for, giving me kudos to get it done, the Joanne scrolls and all that good stuff. So it's always helpful and always, nice to hear like, hey, Rochelle, you did that, girl, So it's always good to hear that as well. But yeah, I think like today was the first day back in the lab, sewing studio. This is what I call the lab, in 2 days. So I did some editing for 2 days. I was like, well, I have these videos that needs to be edited. Let me go ahead and do that. And that's what I did for the last 2 days. All right. So just to kind of give you a heads up of what's coming up this week. Of course, what's coming up is the announcement, hopefully, announcement of the Battle of the Shirt Dress. I want to get that up this week simply because I do have the 2 tops done. It's just I need to take photos. So if I can get the photos taken tomorrow, I will definitely be posting that this upcoming week. Okay. It is super cold outside. Now the temperatures dropped from last week, 80s back to the 40s. So we'll see how that goes. Also, what I want to bring to you this week, fingers crossed that I do. Also, of course, update on Joann's. Y'all know you guys are going to be bugging and asking me like, yo, what's the latest and greatest from Joann? Where you at, Rochelle? Like, anyway, I'm hoping to do something like that on Wednesday or Thursday this week. That's just the plan for that. Also this week, of course, to wrap up #BHM Pattern Designer Challenge. I showed you guys the pattern that I was going to be using, which is Know Me 2083, which is my girl, Aronica from Aronica B. Cole. For that pattern. Now, I just finished cutting that out not too long ago. Well, just a few minutes ago, I cut out the pattern. I'm getting ready to cut out the fabric here in a few minutes. I just stopped for a second to go ahead and do this video before I get back over to the cutting table to cut out the fabric and pick my daughter up from school. So with that being said, I'm hoping to have that completed to you guys by Friday. Take photos and post, okay? The photos is hard simply because by the time I get home, it's already dark outside or almost dark outside. So I'm going to try to get it done first thing in the morning before I leave in the morning. The only thing is most of the time the sun is not up. So I got to make it work, okay? Like, I got to make it work some kind of way. But yeah, I think that's it in terms of what I have coming up this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys know what to do. Give your girl 2 thumbs up on the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and then do what's free, and that's subscribe. Until next time, keep sewing.